Welcome to Google Docs 101. Today, we'll learn how to use Document Outline in Google Docs. The Document Outline feature in Google Docs helps you organize and navigate your document easily by providing a clickable list of headings. This guide will walk you through how to use and customize the document outline. Let's begin. On your Google Doc, highlight the text you want to set as a heading. Let us set this to be the title. Click on the Styles drop-down menu, which is usually set to normal text. Choose the appropriate heading style, such as Title, Heading 1, Heading 2, or Heading 3. In this case, we'll choose Title. The choice of heading level depends on the hierarchy you want to create. For example, Heading 1 for main sections and Heading 2 for subsections. Let's format the next sections. You can also just place the cursor on the line that you want to format. The style will apply to that line only. To view the document outline, click on View in the top menu. Then select Show Document Outline from the drop-down menu. A sidebar will appear on the left side of your document. The outline will display the headings you've created in a hierarchical list. Now, let's navigate the document via the outline. Click on any heading in the document outline pane. The document will automatically scroll to that section, making it easy to navigate long documents. Here are some tips for using document outline. Use consistent heading styles throughout your document to maintain a clear and organized outline. The document outline is particularly useful for collaborative projects, allowing all contributors to easily navigate and understand the document structure. The document outline is a powerful tool for organizing and navigating your documents. By using headings effectively, you can create a well-structured outline that enhances readability and ease of use.